You know, there's something truly special when coconuts can make a great dipping sauce or chutney, which goes amazingly well with South Indian cuisine. The ingredient list is pretty short and simple. Let's get started. So I'm gonna first saute some chana dal. These are gram lentils, and I'm gonna save some time from later and just saute until they're lightly browned, just like this. We'll use it in almost every single recipe. So this is the plain version of the coconut chutney. So we have some dried coconut flakes here, although you can use fresh coconut as well. I'm also gonna add in some cumin seeds. This here is another type of cumin seed, which is black cumin or shahi jeera. Then some chopped ginger, some chopped chilies, and then some salt. That's very important. Now you can also add the roasted chana dal in here, but I'm not adding it in this version. Now just puree until it's kind of dry, blended almost, and then add some water until you get a consistency that's a really thick kind of sauce almost, or chutney if you know that. Now this is another version. This one is with green chilies, extra green chilies, a mint, and cilantro. Everything else is the same. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna dry blend it again. Get it all nicely chopped up, and then you start adding in some of the water, and it'll help it just have a much better kind of texture and help it blend much nicer. Okay, that's the second version. This is the final one. So we have some tamarind paste, some garlic, dried red chilies, which I'm soaking, and some onions as well. So first thing you want to do is drain the water from the chilies, add the coconut in the blender already. So add in the dried red chilies, add in a couple like slices of onions. This is about like a quarter cup, I would say. Add your garlic, your chana dal, and some salt, your cumin seeds, everything the same. And then add in your tamarind as well. Again, another dry blend first, get it all nicely chopped up, add water, and you have a great looking chutney, starting with our coconut, our regular classic white coconut chutney, which is not finished yet. It has to be tempered, but that's what the pureed form looks like. And here's what the red one looks like with the Kashmiri red chilies, onions, and garlic. That one's a bit spicy. And then the third one is spicy, but in another way. The red one has a more of a warmth kind of in its spice, but the green one is just a bit sharper from the chilies, mint, and cilantro. Now, we're gonna make the tempering, so we have some coconut oil heating. I'm gonna add the red chili, curry leaves, and mustard seeds. Once that's nicely fragrant, you add your previously roasted chana dal. It's gonna save you some time. And then just garnish it over the chutney. That's how you get a great set of chutneys to really elevate any meal, be it South Indian or not. This is a must-have, so check it out, and I'll see you on the next one.